Today's adventure, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We're at Shuttleworth, or Old Warden airfield. It's to take November 250 Delta Tango, a PA24 1960 Comanche from here to a farm strip in Wiltshire. This Comanche has undergone a complete bare metal restoration by Aerofab in Thruxton. Its avionics have been upgraded to include twin G500 TXIs, the GTN 750 Navcom, the GTS 800 traffic system, a GFC 500 autopilot, and Smart Glide, among many other upgrades. It's a fantastic touring aircraft with real ramp appeal. And get this, a whopping 160 knot cruise. Now here's something you don't see very often. It's the UK's version of Area 51. It's the Porton Down Research Facility. That was a gorgeous flight, and we landed at the private strip in Wiltshire. What a beautiful sunny day, 8:30 in the morning. Let's go and get some breakfast.